Hello, in this video tutorial I'm gonna demonstrate you how you can correct the position of a window which was, for example, wrong positioned in a wall. In the first step we select the desired window with a left mouse click. The selection menu appears automatically and here we can choose between the two options Move and Move with Reference Point. In the first step we will select the option Move with Reference Point. We can either click on the option in the selection menu or we press the shortcut R for the function Move with Reference Point. We select the reference point, for example this point, and now we can move the window. We place the reference point, for example, on the section line between the wall and the green guideline with a left mouse click. Afterwards we press Escape. Another option is to move a window free. Therefore, we select the window again with a left mouse click and we click on Move. We can move now the window completely free with our mouse. Also, the Tool Options window appeared. If it's in your way, when you're moving a window, you can select it with a left mouse click, drag and hold the left mouse button and move it to another position. The blue circle in the middle of the window is the reference point of the window. In the next step we will place the window with the help of the constructional support in the middle between 2 points. In our example, those 2 points are the left and the middle green guideline. Now we press the right mouse button, select Constructional Support, and here we select the function Center Point. Or we press the Escape key to close the windows, and we press the shortcut M for the function Center Point. We select now the 2 points between which we want to center our window. This is the first point and this is the second point. Afterwards we press Escape. As we can see, our window got successfully positioned in the center between the left and the middle green guideline. Another option is the function Point with Distance From. Therefore we select again the window and we click on Move. As already mentioned before, the blue circle in the middle of the window is the reference point. To change the reference point of the window, we press the Ctrl and W key at the same time. In our example, we need the reference point at the left side of the window. This is the correct reference point. This reference point we want to place now from the left corner in a distance of 5 meters to the right. Therefore, we press the right mouse button, we select Constructional Support and Point with Distance From, or we close these windows with the Escape key and we press the shortcut A for the function Point with Distance From. From this point into this direction in a distance of 5 meters we click on OK and we can see that the window moved. We press the Escape key and now we control the distance of the window to the left corner. Therefore we select 2D and Layout, Measure and Distance, or we close this window and we press the shortcut D for the function distance. We measure from this point to this point and we can see that the distance is 5 meters. That's correct. We press escape, and this is the end of our video tutorial. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, visit our website cadvilla.com.